You know when you're procrastinating your responsibilities, aka doing laundry, you gotta stop doing this. Don't individually hang them like some kind of homeless person. It takes forever. Step 1, put all your socks in a sock. And then you gotta get a towel. Get the towel all nice and folded out like that. Step 4, you empty your sock all over it. And then step 3, easily distribute it all over the blanket, the towel. There you go, like this. Feel okay. They'll dry super quickly. The best part is like this is a very easy way to mix and match. You can find the pairs of the socks. If this goes with this, play sock memory. Or step 8, never put them away ever. Just pick them out like this. If your mom and dad comes over, you can just roll them up. Roll the whole thing. You can carry this, like put it away somewhere. It's away puttable. And when your parents are vacated, you can just out this again and just roll it back out. It's mint condition still. They're probably dry now. And there you go. Now life sucks a little bit less.